Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about Nutro, perfect portions, grain-free, cuts and gravy. They are a real salmon and shrimp recipe for adult cats. I've been struggling to find a food that does not upset my cat's stomach at all because I was giving her some different kinds of food in the past, and not that they were bad or anything, but they seemed to upset her stomach, and she would regurgitate her food and throw it up, and it was getting really frustrating for me because I'm like constantly cleaning throw up off the carpet, and that's just not fun. And then of course I feel bad for her because that means she's not feeling good. And my friend, actually, she has a kitty cat. He's a kitten, but she's got a lot of experience with cats and stuff like that. She recommended Nutro to me, so I tried their cans, and my cat loved them and was very, very happy with it. So I told her, and she's like, oh, I bought these perfect portions for my cat, like try them out. You know, she said her cat had been doing really well with them. He really liked them, had a really positive experience. So I said, all right, like, thank you. And she gave this to me to try out, and I ended up purchasing it on my own after because I really liked it. So Nutro Perfect portion cuts in gravy, real salmon and shrimp, wet cat food trays, 2.65 ounces. Comes in a case of 24. You can get these in certain pet stores or online. The Nutro Perfect portions adult cat food trays allow you to feed your cat wet food without the mess of leftovers in your refrigerator. They are made with real salmon as the first ingredient. It's a grain-free cat food. It contains no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Only high-quality ingredients and nutrition in every serving. With Nutro Perfect portions adult cat real salmon and shrimp cuts and gravy recipe cat food trays, your cat gets a fresh meal every time. So that's good, because usually I don't give her a can, especially because she could eat a full can at a time, but I don't give that to her because she will overeat, and chances are she will throw up because she eats too fast, and who knows if there's something in the food that's upsetting her. So since I've been feeding her these, she actually has not thrown up at all, and it's been about a week and a half. And that's a lot for her because she usually throws up every other day. So yeah, she really likes it, of course, like the flavor and everything. The ingredients are chicken broth, salmon, chicken liver, shrimp, pork plasma, tapioca starch, potassium chloride, sunflower oil preserved with mixed tocopherols, salt, calcium carbonate, magnesium sulfate, xanthan gum, sodium acid phosphate. Sorry about pronouncing some of these words wrong, guys. Tetrasodium phosphate, choline chloride, sodium hexametaphosphate, taurine, thymine, mononitrate, vitamin B1, vitamin E supplement, zinc sulfate, ferrous sulfate, manganese sulfate, potassium iodide, pyridoxine hydrochloride, vitamin B6, copper sulfate, vitamin D3 supplement, folic acid, metadione, sodium bisulfate complex, source of vitamin K activity. For feed advice, feed according to the age, size, and activity of your cat. Feed at room temperature and refrigerate unused portion. Your cat should always have access to clean, fresh water. Adults, feed 1 can per 6 to 8 pounds of body weight per day. Kitten, feed up to twice the adult amount to kittens. Gestation and lactation, feed up to 3 times the normal adult amount. So yeah, so that's just like a little bit about the product. So of course it's 1 serving is 37.5 grams. It comes in this great, it had like another one attached to it, and just break it off in this little plastic container. It does not expire until August of 2019, so basically like 11 months from now. We purchased it. Recyclable. I find Nutro to just be a really great product. Grain-free usually helps. I think it's just better for all cats in general to get grain-free food, and I've tried quite a few of these, and I just think your cat's better off having grain-free, so it's like a healthier food. This is what it looks like inside. Sorry, my cat ate most of it, and unfortunately I am like out of product. She's staring at me because she wants more. But she'll eat it so fast. She loves it, and I love it because it hasn't made her throw up all over the place like the other food I've been giving her. So of course this comes like pretty much full to the top. It's in little like pieces like this, and just kind of take it out with a spoon and put it in the plate for your cat, and he or she will absolutely love it, and you'll love it because it's healthy for them. So that's Nutro grain-free cuts and gravy, real salmon and shrimp recipe, and of course it comes in other recipes as well, including like turkey, and I believe they have a chicken one too. So try it out for your cat, and I hope he or she loves it. Thanks so much for watching, guys.